Here's another personal pizza concoction I made using naan bread and some of the sauce that I hid vegetables in during one of the previous videos. I don't want to put too much on, and I like to spread it out as far as possible because I don't like a soggy pizza. Now for one of my favorite toppings, onions. I'm not going to use the whole thing though, just a couple of slivers. And I always start with a layer of cheese on top of the sauce before I start adding toppings. And here's a breakfast sausage I found in the fridge. Try not to get too artistic with the toppings. And here's some bacon that I had pre-cooked in the fridge as well. And mushrooms. And olives. A little dash of Parmesan cheese. And some onion powder. And into the toaster oven. And these should be cooked with just one turn of the dial and letting the clock run out. Or until you just see the cheese bubble on top and it gets a little brown. Perfect and greasy.